Have you ever wondered if your bank supports Zelle? It's a popular and convenient way to send money instantly, but not all banks are on board. Today, we're diving into EverBank to find out if they're part of the Zelle family. Let's get started. Understanding Zelle. Before we dive into EverBank, let's quickly recap what Zelle is. It's a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send money directly from your bank account to another person's bank account. It's fast, secure, and often free to use. EverBank's Zelle status. Now, the million-dollar question, does EverBank use Zelle? Well, the short answer is, drumroll please, yes, EverBank does support Zelle. So, if you're an EverBank customer, you can enjoy the convenience of sending and receiving money instantly using Zelle. How to use Zelle with EverBank? Using Zelle with EverBank is pretty straightforward. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. Check your banking app. Open your EverBank mobile app or online banking portal. Locate Zelle. Look for the Zelle icon or a similar option. It might be under Payments or Transfer Money. Link your account. If you haven't already, you'll need to link your EverBank account to Zelle. This usually involves providing your mobile number. Send or receive money. Once your account is linked, you can start sending or receiving money using Zelle. Simply enter the recipient's email address, phone number, or Zelle username. Benefits of using Zelle with EverBank. There are several advantages to using Zelle with EverBank. Speed. Zelle transactions are typically processed instantly, so you can send and receive money quickly. Convenience. You can use Zelle directly from your EverBank app or online banking portal, making it easy to access. Security. Zelle uses advanced security measures to protect your financial information. Wide acceptance. Zelle is widely accepted by many banks and financial institutions, so you can send money to a broad range of people. Common questions about Zelle and EverBank. Let's address some common questions you might have about using Zelle with EverBank. Are there any fees associated with using Zelle? While Zelle itself doesn't charge fees, your bank might impose fees for using the service. Check with EverBank for their specific fee structure. Is it safe to use Zelle? Yes, Zelle uses advanced security measures to protect your financial information. However, it's always a good idea to be cautious and avoid sharing your personal information with anyone you don't know. Can I use Zelle to send money to businesses? While Zelle is primarily designed for peer-to-peer payments, some businesses may accept it. Check with the business directly to see if they accept Zelle payments. So, there you have it. EverBank does indeed support Zelle, making it a convenient option for sending and receiving money instantly. If you're an EverBank customer, take advantage of this feature and enjoy the benefits of Zelle. If you're still unsure about using Zelle or have any other questions about EverBank, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to provide you with the information you need. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and information. Until next time.